Hello students, welcome to B.TECH. Today I am going to discuss about a topic of to find areas and volumes in unit 5 of J into K. Okay. Now take a simple example here. Find the area enclosed by parabola. Here the given curves are x square equals to y and y square equals to x. So x square equals to y curve will be in this form and y square equals to x will be in this form. Y square equals to x will be in this form. So we should find the area which is in between them. So in order to find out the area, first we should find the limits for the integration. Here they gave y square x square is equals to y. That means, and here they gave x square equals to y. That is our first equation. And another curve is y square equals to x. That is our second equation. So upon solving those two equations, what we will get? First take first equation and square on both sides. We will get x power 4 is equals to y square. Now put this y square value in second equation. What we will get? X power 4 is equals to x, because this is the value of y square. That means x power 4 minus x is equals to 0. X, take x as common. X cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x cube is equals to 1 plus or minus x cube is equals to 1. That means x is equals to plus or minus 1. That means x is equal to 0 and x is equals to 1. Take positive value. If x is equals to 0, what we will get from first equation? Y is also equal to 0. If x is equals to 1, y is also equals to 1. That means y values are 0, 1 and x values are 0, 1. Here the parabolas intersected 0, 0, that is origin, and at a point what we solved here 1, 1. So the limits will be, as it is double integration, x ranges from y square to. See here in the question, x ranges from this equation x is equals to y square, and from this equation we will get x is equals to root y. So x ranges from y square to root y, and y ranges from, we found out here 0, 1. So y ranges from 0 to 1 dx dy. Okay. Now what is the value here? Nothing. So that means simply 1. Integration of 1 is always equals to x plus c. With respect to x means x plus 3. With respect to y, if you are doing, it is equals to y plus c. So here we are doing with respect to x. So we should write x and the limits are from y square to root y. First substitute the upper limit, that is root y minus y square. Now integrate this equation with respect to y. Integration of y power n. What we will get? Y power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here what we are having? Root y, that is equals to y power 1 by 2. So integration of y power 1 by 2 means y power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equals to y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This will become reciprocal and we will write 2 by 3. And y square differentiation is y cube by 3. And apply the limit 0 to 1. First apply the upper limit here. We will get 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 3. And if we apply 0, the whole term will become 0. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 square units. Now let us see another problem. Find area bounded by parabola y square equals to 4ax and its lattice rectum. So what is the parabola y square equals to 4ax? This is y square equals to 4ax is the given parabola, and it is symmetric over x-axis. That means upper half and lower half values areas are equal, and the lattice rectum means Lx is equals to a. So we should find the area in between these two. As it is symmetric, if we find out the value of the above initial, that is above x-axis, and if we double, it is enough. So that's why I am taking 2 times of this area OSL, because these both are symmetric. That means same areas. This will have same area as this area. So I am taking 2 times. Now integration limits varies from, with here we have what they gave in the question, y square is equals to 4ax. That means y is equals to root of 4ax. That is equals to y is equals to 2 root ax. So y ranges from here 0 origin 0 to root of 2 root of ax, 0 to 2 root of ax, and x ranges from 0 to, here what is the value of s here? A comma 0. So x ranges from 0 to a. Now simply integrate it. Integration of 1 with respect to y is y. Integration of 1 with respect to dy is y, and the limits are 0 to 2 root ax. That will transform into 2 root ax minus 0. Integration of 0 to a dx, that is equals to 2 times of 0 to a 2 root ax dx. Again you should integrate this equation with respect to a. So 2 root ax, that means x power 1 by 2 and into root a. So this root a is constant, so I took it outside. This 2 is also constant, I took it outside. So 2 into 2 will get 4. X power 1 by 2 means, just now we have seen that x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. That means 4 root a into x power 3 by 2. Now insert the upper limit. What x will become? It will become into a into 2 by 3. And what will be the other limit? If a 0 is inserted, the whole term will be 0. That means 4 root a into a, root a into a cube into root a. This can be written as, that is a cube whole power 1 by 2. That is root of a cube. In this we can take one a square as outside of the root. What it will become? A root a. That's what I written here. It is a root a. That means a into a will become a square. 4 into 2 by 3. 4 2s are 8. So 8 a square by 3 is our required area. We can write here as 4a square by 3 units. Next, find the volume of tetrahedron of area bounded by x equal to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, and x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equals to 1. That means we should find this area with respect to the axis. So the given condition here is this one, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equals to 1. So now what can we take from this condition? We see z by c is equals to 1 minus, take this both terms other side of the equality, x by a minus y by b. That implies z is equals to, take this c to the numerator, c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Okay, this is the z value. Hence for a fixed value of x comma y on an xy plane within the triangle OAB, that means within this triangle which is in the xy plane, within this triangle z varies from 0 to this point which we have found out. So z varies from 0 to this point. Then for a fixed S within the triangle OAB, y varies from 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. So again x varies from 0 to a. Okay. So the required volume of the triple integral will be we just find out the limits. So substitute those limits here. These limits, substitute those limits and do the integration. One integration of dx means we will get just z 0 to the limits. Apply those limits here. First we will apply upper limit, that means c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b and minus of 0. Whole term will be 0. So this is our answer here. Next again we should integrate it with respect to y, that is equals to c into y, that is cy. For what we will get here, c minus xc by a minus yc by b. Now integrate this whole equation with respect to dy. What we will get? C integration of c is cy minus, this is also a constant, so we will get xy c by a. Again here we have y term, that means minus y square by 2b into c. Okay. Now again apply the limits from 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Upon applying the limits in place of y, we get c into b minus 1 minus x by a minus here. So now from these two terms take cy as common. What you will get? 1 minus x by a minus y square c by 2b, and the limits are from 0 to 1 minus x by a. Now apply this whole value in place of y. What we will get? C into b into 1 minus x by a, 1 minus x by a. So cb into 1 minus x by a whole square minus c into b into 1 minus x by a whole square divided by 2. Now this again, this equation, if we integrate with respect to x, what we will get here? This whole term means it is of the form of x power n, that is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is equals to 1 minus x by a whole cube by 3. Here the value is 3. And the integration of this value, again here in the place of x we are having x minus a. So an integration of this value is x. So here the 3 is written here, and the integration of that value is minus 1 by a is written in the denominator. Now substitute the limits 0 and a. If we substitute a value here, what we will get? 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. That means this whole term will be equals to 0. And again if you substitute 0, what you will get here? CB by 2 into 1 minus into this 1 by a will be written in the upside. We will get ABC by, here by 3 is there, ABC by 6 units. So the volume is ABC by 6 units. So that is proved here again down. See, for clearer understanding. This 1 minus x minus a is expanded as a here. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So what terms will be get cancelled? Finally we will get this term, that is ABC by 6 units.